All right, trade pros. Today we're going to talk about how to get rich trading. And you're going to notice one thing. First of all, I'm leaving the office here at about 8:21 p.m. Today is a Monday. It's Victoria Day in Canada. It's a holiday. Everybody's out and about enjoying the weather. And I'm leaving the office a little bit later than usual. In fact, most people weren't at work today. Here I am. I had to work. So how do you really get rich trading? Well, first and foremost, in order to get rich trading, you have to understand that it's going to be a long-term journey. You're not going to just start out and in 3 months have $5 million in your trading account, starting with just $1,000 of capital. So one of the sure ways to do it is to achieve consistency with what you do have right now. Many times traders will say, I don't have enough capital to start trading. I'm saving up. I don't have enough time. I don't have this. I don't have that. But you have everything you need to be successful. And people who have been successful have done it with less than what you have at the moment. So that realization is pretty empowering. Use what you do have and figure out how to make it work. Put the effort in, put the time and energy, and start today. So how do you actually get rich though? Just getting started is not enough to get you rich in this business. What you really have to do is to start slowly and scale your way up. If you're only trading small position sizes, if you only do half of a micro lot in Forex, if you only do one options contract with options trading, if you only do one futures position, one is enough. One is a start, all right? So in order to get to where you want to go, you need to get started doing something first. And getting a start is better than not getting started at all. So once you've decided, you know what, this is for me, I want to get started, the next step logically is to attain some consistency in your trading. Before you start thinking of millions, try to make $100 a day. Gain consistency and give yourself the confidence that you're able to make money day in and day out. That confidence is going to suit you very well as you progress and mature as a trader. That confidence will save you thousands of dollars a day when you get to the point where you're trading that scale. But at the beginning, make it a priority to be consistent on a smaller basis rather than looking for huge returns. Consistency will give you a lot more confidence and it will give you a lot more sense of security. And at the end of the day, that's what we want as human beings. One of our top values is security. We want to prioritize the well-being of ourselves and our family. So small consistency will give you huge returns and security. You're going to feel great. It's going to give you confidence. From there, the exercise is really simple. You just scale your way up. Once you have a few consistent weeks, the next thing you do is add a contract to your position. Add a micro lot. Add yourself another options contract. And manage your risk. Do what you did that got you consistency in the first place. Scale up a little bit more. And then look to get consistency again. The point I'm trying to make though is to get rich, to get successful with trading, you're gonna have to constantly push yourself out of your comfort zone and adjusting to that comfort zone, creating a larger comfort zone for yourself. Until you do what? You make yourself uncomfortable by pushing yourself out of that comfort zone. And step by step, you're expanding out that comfort zone to become much bigger, to encompass the potential of you becoming a successful trader. You're not just gonna wake up one day and find the secret strategy, the secret sauce, and make millions of dollars. That doesn't exist, all right? The secret strategy and the secret sauce is you. It's your ability to execute. So let me summarize this for you. Step number one, look for consistency. Prioritize any consistent returns over a goal of a magic number. Start small, get consistent. Step number two, once you're consistent, push yourself out of your comfort zone by increasing your trading size. You don't need to look for big winners. You need to take bigger positions and get comfortable with that and gain consistency there. After that point, you can continue that process forward until one day you're going to be making enough money to classify yourself as rich. All right? It's not like one day you have $1,000 in your bank account and the next day you wake up driving a 63 AMG. It's all gradual progress. It all builds. It's all momentum. Now let's talk about riches. What is rich? $1,000 a day gets you about $220,000 US income. Is $1,000 a lot to ask for? Maybe in a 9-to-5 job, maybe where you're starting at the moment, but in due time with a lot of experience, $1,000 at the end of the day is just 4 points if you're trading 5 lots. And that's very reasonable and doable. If you want to learn how to scale your trading success One thing you could do is check out our video, put the link in the description, on how to increase your trading scale like a professional trader. Another way to get rich is hit up that Brinks truck. Just kidding, don't do that. Alright, Trade Pros, that's all I got for you. I hope you enjoyed this drive and chat about trading. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have yourselves a great day. I'm going to park up, go to the gym, and get some sleep, and be back and energized for you guys tomorrow morning. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. I'll catch you guys later.